Let me tell you about Sarah. At 28, she had a good job, $60K a year, a tiny apartment, and $42,000 in debt. Every month was the same. Paycheck comes in, bills suck it dry. Then one day, she stumbled onto a secret. Not a get-rich-quick scheme, not a boring budget trick, but 3 invisible rules that changed everything. Within 2 years, she was debt-free. By 35, she owned 2 homes. Today, I'm going to give you those same rules, but first, let me ask you something painful. How much of your life are you trading for money you'll never get to keep? Before we dive in, if you've ever felt stuck in a money trap, smash that like button. This video took months to research, and your support helps others break free too. And subscribe, because next week, I'm revealing how to turn $100 into $1,000 using a method banks don't want you to know. 1. The lie we all believe. Sarah thought she was bad with money. Sound familiar? Here's the truth she discovered. It's not about being good or bad. The system is designed to keep you chasing. Think about it. Why do schools teach calculus, but not how to escape debt? Why do credit card companies target college students? There's a hidden playbook, and today, you're getting page 1. The wealthy don't just earn more. They think differently. Sarah learned this the hard way when she met her first mentor, a retired banker who showed her 3 shocking truths. 2. The 3 invisible rules. Rule number 1. Your salary is a distraction. Sarah's mentor drew 2 lines on a napkin, income and net worth. Then he asked, which one actually matters? She guessed wrong. Here's why. Your salary is what you earn. Your net worth is what you keep. And most people? They inflate their lifestyle every time they get a raise. The secret? Flip the script. Every dollar you don't spend today becomes $10 tomorrow. Sarah started with just $50 a month, automatically moved to a separate account. Within a year, she had her first $5,000 working for her. Rule number 2. Debt is a tool if you weaponize it. Not all debt is evil. Sarah's credit card debt at 24% interest, a nightmare. But her 3% mortgage, a weapon. The difference? One buys liabilities, things that suck money out of your pocket. The other buys assets, things that put money in. She sold her $25,000 car, a liability, bought a used one for $8,000, and used the difference to invest in a rental property. That property now pays her $300 per month, forever. Rule number 3. Time is your only real currency. The banker asked Sarah one terrifying question. How many years of your life are you willing to trade for stuff you don't need? That's when she realized, every $100 wasted on impulse buys isn't just money. It's hours of your life you'll never get back. The wealthy don't just save money. They buy back their time. Sarah started outsourcing tasks that drained her, like meal prep, for $50 a week. That freed up 10 hours to learn investing. Within a year, she'd made $18,000 from stocks. 3. The forbidden truth revealed at last. Here's what banks don't want you to know. The system needs you to stay scared, to keep buying, to think wealth is complicated. But Sarah's final breakthrough, simplicity. She stopped chasing hot tips and did just 3 things. Automated her savings, pay yourself first. Invested in boring index funds while others gambled on crypto. Bought assets that outpace inflation, real estate, dividend stocks. Sarah's story isn't unique. It's a blueprint. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a mentor, guess what? You do now. Start today. Not with $10,000. With $10, move it to a savings account. Cancel 1 subscription. Read 1 investing book. Small steps compound. And one day, you'll wake up free. If this video helped you, pay it forward. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what's one money rule you'll change this week? I read every one. And remember, the richest people in the world aren't the ones with the most money. They're the ones who've bought back their time. Go get yours. Money is a game. Now you know the rules.